In this video I'm going to try and give an egg to my dogs. I'm gonna try it. No. I'm going to give an egg to each of my dogs and see how gentle they are with the egg, if they break it or not. Normally they say that dogs are gentle with eggs, so we're gonna see if that's true or not. The eggs are from my chickens in my garden, so I know they have no chemical stuff in it. And they have laid some eggs, guys. They laid some eggs. Yeah, you can see it over there.
Wow!
2 beautiful eggs. Thank you, chickens, for the eggs. Got the eggs with me. They already have eaten some eggs before. When I went from the chickens to my house, I already broke some eggs while I was opening the gate. And with my both hands full, I dropped an egg on the ground. So they already have eaten eggs, but I never gave them a whole egg in their mouth before. It's the first time for me too that I'm gonna see how they are with an egg. So yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Farah is ready for it. Storm is ready for it. And Titus also. We're gonna start with Farah. So I'm going to give this egg to Farah and see how she reacts to it. Wachten, moet goed on the camera. Oh. No, she has it. Oh, she dropped it already. She's gonna run with it. I need to film this. What she's gonna do with it. Just licking. Oh, she already broke it, guys. She already broke it. That's not very gentle. Ooh, she's licking. She likes the egg, eh? Of all 3 of my dogs, she likes eggs the most. Every time when I come from the chickens, she wants to look in my hands if I have an egg in it or not. Oh, she's gonna eat the shell. Normally she don't eat the shell because I throw it away. But yeah, for the video, for one time, it's okay, eh? It has a lot of vitamins in it. So, conclusion. Farah has broke the egg in a couple of seconds. I don't know what Storm will do with it. We're gonna see. I'm gonna take the egg and gonna give it to Storm. Storm. Maybe he will think it's a ball. I give it to you, Storm. Oh, yeah. You ready? What are you going to do with it? Yeah, take it. What's that, Storm? Eh? You never had this before? A whole egg? What are you going to do with it, Storm? Oh, yeah, he broke it. I think he's broken it. No? I heard a bang. Yeah, it's broken. It's broken. It's licking the yolk out of it. Conclusion, Storm was a little bit more gentle in the beginning with it. He still broke the egg under a minute and he eats the whole egg. Only left this. Oh. Yeah, he left nothing, eh? He left nothing. Okay, and now for Titus. I'm going to try to give this egg. Nee. Oh, it's for Titus. Titus, you may have this egg. Take it. She loves the egg. You can see it by her tail. Titus. Here, Titus. Take it. Oh, she's pushing it. Yeah, I think it's too big. She can take it, guys. She can take it. I think it's too big. Oh, oh, oh. What is she doing with it? She's rolling the egg away from the left to the right to try to make a hole in it with her little feet. Oh, oh, yeah, she was trying it. She was trying it. It's a bit too big. She looks at me. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, she wants the egg. She wants the egg. But I have another option. I knew it was going to be too big, so I bought these little eggs. I bought these little eggs. I'm going to give it to Titus. This is a little egg, eh, Titus? Yeah! That's better. You can take it in your mouth. You can take it in your little mouth. Bite in it. Yeah, she bites in it. She left nothing. Shell and everything. And then we got Farah laying over there by the other two eggs. Because she know, oh, why are there two eggs on the table? Why are there two eggs on the table? Has it, oh, Farah. Oh, she took another one. Direct bite in it. Up. That's not that gentle, eh, Farah? I'm going to throw this egg and see if he can catch the egg without breaking it. Yeah, I think it's a stupid idea because he will break it for sure, but yeah, we're gonna see. You need to try to catch this egg, Storm. So I'm going to throw it to you and you take it, eh? Yeah, I think he's just gonna let it fall. Hi, Pa! Oh, that foot is broken. It's broken. And these two are loving it. These two are loving it. After 1 second it's already broken from Farah. Titus is a little bit gentle with it, but yeah, still she has broken it very fast. And Storm also. So conclusion, my dogs are not gentle with eggs. I hope you liked the video, and then I see you next time in another funny video with all of my dogs.